Okay, Madhuparna, over to you. And
Okay,
of
sir.
course, Puja also. Carry
Yes.
on.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
So,
evening, ma'am.
is there any homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then share your screen and show the homework. Share your screen and show the homework one by one.
Hello, ma'am. Can I share my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. This is my program. Madam told to create a login page.
Just wait, it is loading, okay?
I will do it.
Just
Yeah,
wait,
ma'am.
it is loading.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, run.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, may you hear
yes.
me, ma'am? Yeah, when I hover the mouse here, the color will change in login. And when I hover mouse in cancel, the color changes to yellow, ma'am. I kept a yellow.
Okay.
This much, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Just open the code.
Yeah. This is my code, ma'am. This is yes part, ma'am. This one from
Open your code.
yeah, ma'am. This is my code, ma'am. I opened, ma'am.
Actually, okay. See, in line number 82 and 83, button type will be submit and reset. Okay. You can just write the login cancel is okay, but in 82 number and 83 number, the type will be submit and reset. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, reset and
Done, ma'am.
okay.
Can I run the once again, ma'am?
Yes, you can run.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Can I stop the sharing, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Pallavi?
Yeah, ma'am. May I share, ma'am?
Yes. Share your screen.
Ma'am, this is my code.
Just wait, it is loading. Yes. Run the program. No, your Chrome is not visible.
Okay, now
Wow.
Yes, yes. Now visible.
here I use username anything like my name and password. Then if I log in, then open up my new page.
Okay.
If I getting any wrong, like if I wrong password, like
Yes.
then it will be shown me that
Please request.
my
Very good work.
Hello, Pallavi?
yes sir.
Hello? Not sir, I'm sure of. Did you use the icon which is man? Yes, this one is. Are you using the linear gradient?
No. I use it. I did getting from Google
Acha, acha.
image, PNG image.
Okay, just an image, right?
I use only image.
Oh, great, great.
Pallavi, show your code. All of you can see 108, line number 108.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you. Show up, Tariq. Yes, see here. She gave the link of the JSP, right? myform.jsp.
And previous form that I
Yes,
previous.
yes, yes.
Okay. I tried the href and in the value I put the whole path. That's why that was not working. It was my mistake. Okay, now I
Yeah.
correct it. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Pallavi, very good work. You can stop share. Chinmoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, share the screen.
Ma'am, uh, I don't homework. Don't done the homework, ma'am.
Okay, then done it, okay?
Okay.
Next day, you will show.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Because of my laptop, something issue with network.
Yes. So please do the homework and we will show the homework in next session, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Divya? Divya,
Ma'am,
share your screen.
ma'am, actually I had some problem, ma'am, so that's why I didn't do the homework, ma'am. Can I show you after some time, ma'am?
Okay. Shubhadeep, share your screen. Shubhadeep, share your screen. You have not done the login. Shubhadeep? Yes, you have not done the login form. It is the registration form, right? Shubhadeep, you can.
Doing the changing of
Yes,
I'm just changing of submit and submit.
but the homework is to do a login page, right? Okay, run this program. Run this program. Run this program. Shubhadeep, your screen is not visible. Shubhadeep, you can drop a message. You are not audible properly. You can drop a message.
Okay,
Tariq, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, yes.
This is the code,
Okay.
and
This is for the registration, right?
yeah, ma'am.
Where is the login form? You have not done the login form?
Wait. I haven't
Okay.
done much, ma'am. This much just a basic, ma'am.
Yes,
Haven't
yes.
done much.
Okay. Then next day, add
Tomorrow,
some.
ma'am. Yeah, surely, ma'am.
Yes,
Tomorrow.
yes. Add
Okay.
some CSS and show the form.jsp. Yes. Okay. Run this program.
Huh.
Okay.
I did one thing, ma'am, that bachelor is already checked. So if there is any master or other than the bachelor, if program have been done, then they can select that.
Okay.
Yes.
So how you do that?
Bachelor is already checked. So if there is any other program which I have done like masters or any PhD or something, whatever,
Yes.
so they can mention this, check that if there is master, then master or others, and they can mention this.
But see, you have the both radio button check, right? It is not right. You have to check one. That is for this. It is called radio button, not checkbox, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So please correct it.
Okay, so only one
Yes,
check button
yes,
on the.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
For the for that portion, you have the
Yes,
checkbox, right? You can tick more than one option. But in
in
the
the
radio,
checkbox.
yes, yes, checkbox like programming languages, Java, C, C++, others, you have the checkbox, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But in radio button, you have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
just click only one button. That's why it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
called radio button, right? So just
Oh,
correct it, okay? And add some CSS to the login form and next day show us, okay?
Surely, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
surely.
Yes. Thank you. You can stop share. Also, the pin code is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have mentioned the pin code, ma'am. Should I show you?
But you don't added any label for the pin code.
For the pin code. One
Uh,
second, ma'am. No, ma'am. I haven't added any pattern.
no, no,
I've
no.
just
I mean label, label.
mentioned type as number.
No, no, label.
Label, no, ma'am.
But please add label, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Try to create the form user friendly. Like I suppose I am new to this,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
I can understand, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
try to add labels for each and every field.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I will try, ma'am.
So yes, yes. Add the CSS and next day you will show.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Showed you have done the login form.
No, ma'am, I didn't complete login form, but I complete another thing, which is a what is it?
Okay, just share your
A
screen
button.
then.
I have created a button. If and I use a hover, and I use some. Wait, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
No, this one. Yes, yes, yes. This is the button, and if I go upon this, and it will blink like that.
Wow. Share your code. Show your code.
This is here. It is. The main section is from here to here.
Okay.
I use a transition after go upon the button, and it will take 0.2 seconds to blink to change its color
Okay.
from white to neon blue.
Okay.
And I use a box shadows, and from three upper sides uh, to glow the button.
Okay, Shobha, but try to do the homework, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Next day you will show the login form, okay?
Okay, ma'am. After watching the after watch the YouTube video from YouTube,
Yes.
I have done this.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Showed up. You can stop share and try to do the login form, okay? Next
Okay, ma'am.
day you will show. So I am sharing my screen, okay?
পরে আসতে বলো।
My screen is visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many selectors are there in CSS?
3, ma'am.
So what is element selector? Already you have done the selector part, so I am asking you. So already you know what is selector, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there is a element selector, right? Suppose you write P for paragraph, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I am giving one example. So I have taken a paragraph and then I have written hello in this paragraph. Okay. So if I want to color this hello,
Yes, ma'am.
then yes, right. It is right. Is
Yes.
it right? Yes, yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is a example of element selector. Here P is the element. You can write the style like this. Okay. So next is, you have already know the ID selector, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So I am giving you control. Anyone can give a example. Anyone?
ID selector, yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay. Sure of, then I am giving you the control. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What is your SRV?
SRV, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now you can control.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just write the example of ID selector.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, on just
Yes.
hello.
Yes. Yes. Sure of.
Uh, can I just only example, or I write up proper code?
You can give as your wish.
ID selector, right? Okay.
Yes, ID selector. And you have to explain about the ID selector. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Paid. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
So I'm in here in the body tag. I'm using paragraph tag, and and I uh, and and I select a selector which is ID, and I'm calling this property by this name. So
Okay.
in here, if I change something from there into the name,
Yes.
it will automatically change the value of this name,
Okay.
and this name will and this value will automatically apply to the this paragraph.
Okay. Suppose I want to see this paragraph in red color, then
Okay. Font. You can use any color. If I use blue, then only this it will be appropriate for this paragraph tag. Actually, by these ID is an attribute and a name is a value.
yes.
Name is a value. So we are by value we are changing the by value we are changing the property of this value. So that's why actually CSS was CSS are using for changing the properties.
Yes. And ID also unique, right?
Yes,
ID is unique.
Yes, ma'am. ID is the unique. Yes, correct.
So
Ma'am, did you say about changing the background color or the font color?
you can use the if you want to change the background color, then write the background color and then write blue, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can just write color colon blue, it will come in blue also.
Background color.
Yes, background color
Yes.
also color.
Background color maybe it's a black. You can use black like that. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you can write any color. Yes, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
right. Okay, thank you, Shora.
Thank you, ma'am. Give up. I'm giving up the
Yes,
control.
yes, yes.
Okay. Now I'm clear, ma'am.
Okay, so I am giving you the control to Tariq, and Tariq, you will explain about the class selector. Okay,
Class selector.
class
Okay.
CLA.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you can control just. Yes, Tariq, you can control, and then you can write example.
Yeah, ma'am. Should I write just the CSS part or whole of the code, ma'am?
Just write a Saurav have already written, right?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
write the whole thing.
So let's just start with this. So he mentioned about that this is the paragraph in the P tab. So I will declare this class as a text tab. Yes, ma'am. So this is the code in the HTML part, and for this class which I have mentioned as a text, to change its background color or do styling in this class, we can do that dot
Style also, yes.
dot class as text, and then this part where is this right?
Yes, yes. For this class, you have to write one dot, right?
Yes, ma'am. Dot is mentioned for the class.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, Tariq.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can give up the control, okay?
Ma'am, how to give the control? Give up remote control.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, ma'am, I've given up.
Okay. There is also a group tag, okay? Group selector.
Okay.
So group selector is there. So like if you have H1, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in style, you can also add like H1, comma P, like this, okay? And then you can write the zero. So this is called group selector because I am adding H1 and then P together, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
it is an example of group selector. And one thing also there, the universal selector, okay?
So group selector will change both the
Yes, both
formatting
the,
and style.
yes. You don't have to write H1 then style and then
Yes.
P. If you want to style same as the H1 and MP, then you
Yes.
can use the group selector. Okay.
So it is stricted just for headline and paragraph or
No,
any
no,
two tags?
anything. If
Okay, ma'am.
if your two classes are different, you want to uh, add some colors of the two classes, then you
Yes.
have to not write that H1 the two classes differently. You can add them together, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that's why it is called a group selector. You can write also see if you in the table suppose you want to do some style for TR, TH and TD, the same style you can
Yes.
just write this TR comma TH and comma TD and then you can add the style, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
In a universal selector you can add the style for the whole things. I mean if you write like this, okay, just if you write like this, the whole thing in the page will change the color in red, okay? So how many selectors are there?
I
Yes. And
Five selector. 5 types.
yes, yes, five types. Mm. Suppose see all of you can show my screen, right? So if
Yes.
you have same class name, then if you suppose you want to add some style for the individual, I mean for the specific h1 tag, okay, you don't you have no other option, write the element, or suppose you don't you have to just specify the h1 style, okay. Then how to do that? You have same class name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how to be specific, right? The h1 of this paragraph. Understand the question? The class names are
Yeah,
both same. Okay. Then how
class
to
names
be?
are same, but the tags are different.
Yes.
Don't know,
So
ma'am.
just try Chinmoy, Puja, Pallavi, Divya. Yes. Understand the problem.
That time we use
Yes, ma'am.
H1 type
Yes.
for style. Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
We write H1 for first paragraph style and the second
No.
one.
Suppose you don't have h1. Okay. You have to just be specific. Then what to do? You have, but in case, suppose think like that, you have to be specific that each one of that class I want to do the style. Then
Do inline style, ma'am. Inline CSS.
no, inline css is also an option, but if you want to use the css, then how to be specific? Then see, you can write like this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Right? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. And if you want to change the h1, then write like this. Okay. Be specific, right? H1 dot paragraph means I want to change the color of hello, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So note down this 5 selector. Okay, you
One
can
second, ma'am.
yes,
Hello, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I have facing some problem in my code logging. There I used a icon in a top, but when I small the size of this website page, that time the icon slide slide go right side, but I could not fix that icon in a middle of the logging box.
You are resizing this.
No, ma'am, I have only style on it. I have
No,
only
no. I mean, you minimize the size of the screen.
yes, yes. When I minimize the no, not size of the screen, I minimize when the size of the 100% to 125 or 90%. That time it will be slide right side, but I
Okay.
could not fix it.
Okay, just wait. After the session, I see your problem.
Ma'am, will you scroll up
Yes,
if everyone has completed?
yes. Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now try to note down all the things, okay? Because there will be in some days your assessment will be there, and you have to prepare for the assessment, okay? And you have
Yes,
to do
ma'am.
your best. So try to note down all these things.
Yes, ma'am. It's done.
Okay. Everybody done?
Ma'am.
Yes. So I can move forward, right? Suraj, are you there? Suraj?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So why are you absent for the last 2 days?
Ma'am, I'm not getting a ID or password, so I asked her, sir, in group.
Okay. Actually, last day you have asked me a question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you repeat the question about the project work? Then I can explain you.
What question asked? I don't remember, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Suraj,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to go through the YouTube link, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So yes. So you have done any registration form or login form?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm stop sharing. You can share your screen, okay?
No, ma'am. Not like making a this thing I'm not doing.
Why? You have not done the registration or any form?
I'm not making this, ma'am. Any type of form.
Okay,
Right.
then you have to do a form, okay? So
Yeah, ma'am. First I will read out. Then on night I will try to do it.
okay. Then next day you will show, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, just I have asked her. This is we are writing HTML code on like any editor. We have to write and execute this. No need to write an like JavaScript or something because you are also doing on Notepad also.
No. You can, I am just giving you the example. You can create a JSP page and then you have to write these things, okay?
Okay.
I'm just giving you example. So I am writing in the Notepad. You can these things you can create in the JSP, okay? Like all of the others also created form in the JSP, right? So you have to also create a JSP form and then added some HTML, CSS, and then try to do a registration form as well as a login form, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Already you have used the border radius, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
What are radius?
suppose you have the border radius 90 px, okay? So it is applicable for the four sides, right? A form have four sides, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Four corner. So this border radius will applicable for the fourth side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can use the percentage also, okay? Also px you can use and also the percentage will be there. You can use as your wish. If you have border radius like 25% and 10%, so what is for the 25% and what is the for the 10%? I mean, which side will be 25% and which corner?
Ma'am, top side 25%.
Top means any top, মানে two top.
Top
Top
left.
right.
Top left.
Okay, the 25 is for?
Top left.
Top left. I'm not sure.
Okay, top left and?
Top right.
No. Okay, it is for top left and bottom right, okay?
Okay.
And this 10% is for top right and bottom left. Okay. So next. Yes?
If I do border radius equal to 25, it means top left at the same time top right, bottom
Yes.
right. Both
Yes.
are whatever the
Yes, yes.
like radius we are putting color, same color both on top left and bottom right.
No, radius for the curve.
Okay, radius of the card. Okay.
Yes. You use color for the border color, right?
Yes, ma'am. You can. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will show you example, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Then you have to any doubt. So if you have just like this, then 10% is for
Top left, bottom right, 3.
yes.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, anyone? Just try. Pallavi, Divya, Puja, Chinmoy, Tariq, Saurabh.
Ma'am,
Yes.
top left.
10 is for top left. Okay. And 30.
Bottom right, ma'am.
No.
I don't know, ma'am. Just
Okay, okay. Then I will write.
Top right, ma'am.
Yes, top right and also bottom left. Okay.
yes.
Yes. Okay. We don't have comma actually. So the 10% is for top left. Okay. So these are the border radius. Okay.
Okay.
Just note it down.
Done.
Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait. Okay.
Yes.
Everyone done up to this? Any problem?
Done, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. You already know these things, right?
Yes, ma'am. Basics.
Yes. Okay. So all of you open your last day of the form. You have which Puja taught you. Open.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Chinmoy, explain about the hover.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Chinmoy.
Hover means, ma'am, when we go to the cursor to the that button, the change with the color will change.
And what is the meaning of RGB?
RGB, this is, ma'am, color, specify the colors. We can this hexadecimal color, RGB color. This is one type of color, ma'am.
Okay. So red, green, and
Red, green, and blue.
yes. Suppose you want to add some style of this input type text, then
Yes, ma'am.
suppose all of you, I am asking you that suppose you have to uh, change the suppose you have to change this size, width and height of this text field. Okay, then how to do that?
In input tag, we have to select any of the selector, ma'am, like name, ID, class, like that, and we have to write a CSS code for that.
Padding code, ma'am.
Yes.
Padding tag is used, ma'am. Padding.
Yes. 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 So here you can write like this: input type equals to text. Then the text of the here the text field is first name and last name, right? So
Yes.
yes, so you can just code anything. See, you see the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can just add these things. Okay, so suppose I want to change the password field width. Then I have to write like this: input.
Type is equal to password.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
then save it. Sorry, I don't save it.
Ma'am, here you did not use the type is equal to invited colon, invited comma.
Where?
Within a type is equal to invited comma text. Text within a invited comma. And type is equal to password within a invited comma.
No, that is not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
See? So change the email also. Know how to do the static page as a static website? I'm just asking that if you have the just like if you can Flipkart,
Can you repeat, please?
yes, you can see my screen.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am opening the Flipkart, right? So all of you just it is the header section, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and also there is some menu, electronics, TV application, men, women, baby, kids. You have seen this? Okay.
Yes.
And then see, there is a footer section also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is called the footer section. So, yes. So, see, if I am creating MI, just wait for, yes. All of you can see the header and the menu are fixed, right? Only the body part is changeable, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And also you can see the footer part is also fixed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, anyone have any idea how to do this? The header and the menu is fixed, but the body is changeable, right? Anyone, any idea?
Check it by using inspect element. How they
Uh,
do.
please explain this.
We can check it how they are doing like inspect element on Flipkart site.
No, no, I am talking about.
Yeah, yeah. How
Yes,
they are doing this, so we
yes,
can
yes.
check it. Just once see.
No, 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 no. I already see. I want to that. I want to know that you know how to do these things. Like
Okay, okay, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
yes, you can inspect it. I also know,
no,
but
ma'am. I just
if you have if any idea, anything.
no, ma'am.
Pallavi, Pallavi, any idea?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, not a problem. We will see this. Okay, in after next session or next session, we will create.
Ma'am,
Yes,
uh, if we use division class, then it will be happen.
division class. Okay.
If we use division class like div the class, uh, separate name top right, top left, then class division class meet, and then the footer class, header class, footer class separately, then it will be happen.
Uh, Pallavi, you are talking, right? So, Pallavi, if you think a project, how many pages of JSP is there? Minimum, minimum 10 pages will be there. Minimum 10 JSP, right? In a project. Pallavi, am I audible?
Ma'am, am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. So, suppose in a project you have minimum 10 pages of JSP, right?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So you have to write all these things in 10 pages. You are talking about you are using
No, no, ma'am.
the deep, right?
Just ma'am,
So
we are using like ID password, same concept. Just call that. Hello.
yes,
We are putting ID and password. Like whenever we click another another Flipkart. Can you open the Flipkart? Whenever you open MI, then it's open only MI page, MI GSP page. That way we are doing this. Hello.
yes, yes.
So that way we are do this like we are ID
Okay,
password.
okay. So see, in our project, okay, in any project, you have minimum 10 pages of JSP, and all the pages have the header section, all the pages have the footer section, and all the pages have the menu portion, right? So you have to just write one header.jsp, okay, and then one footer.jsp, and then one menu.jsp, and you have to include the JSPs, okay,
Mhm.
then you can do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Just include, and in the next session probably, next or after the next session, uh, I also giving an example how to include a JSP file, JSP page into another JSP page, okay. That way you can do this, okay,
Yes,
understand?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
change the height also of the input text. Is it working? The height? Yes.
Ma'am, it's looks
Yes,
like
ma'am. This working height.
What is the problem?
I give the height 100%, so it look like a same as previous, as like previous.
So what is web page and what
Ma'am,
is website? Hello. What is web page and what is website? Am I audible? Hello.
The group of
yes,
web
ma'am,
pages.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is web page and what is website?
Web page is just a one page where that page is not called another page, but website is the group of web page. We have to one page to call another page.
Okay. It is a website is a collection of web pages, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And web page is
Just a single entity.
yes, just a single entity. Yeah. Okay. Who is facing some problem?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm not getting that width for input, ma'am. Type equals to text for first name and last name, ma'am.
Okay.
No changes have been made, ma'am.
Okay. And who have done the successfully the height and weight?
Yes, ma'am. Chinmay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
Chinmay.
ma'am.
Then share your screen and
Okay.
show.
Okay, ma'am. It's my screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. The input. Here is the ma'am code hide and this is code. Input type to text and with 100% semicolon height, ma'am. I give it to the pixel, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Then
At the percentage, it will not work.
yes, ma'am. Then I run it. This is my page, and when we change it, the height suppose is 12 pixel. Then height will be changed, ma'am.
Yes. Who is facing problem? Puja or Divya?
No, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done. Actually, I kept after input, I kept a space. That's why I'm not getting. Now, just
Yes,
I got,
yes.
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Everybody done?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks, Chinmoy.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Stop sharing, ma'am.
Yes. Suppose I want to change the radius, okay, of the border, the input type, any input type, okay. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, anyone asking me the about the radius?
Radius.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So you can change the radius also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You just.
Yes.
Hello.
Change the radius.
Yes, ma'am. I just asked, give me an example of radius. Like you told na radius 10 and 20, then it was
Yes,
left,
yes.
right, and that's the example.
Okay. So you can write like this also. Your name?
Suraj, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Suraj. You can give the border color of the input also. Okay. Just try the border color of input. Try the border color of the input. Border color is working.
Yes, ma'am.
You can also change the style of the select also. Select means the menu also. You can change the this size also. Okay, the select size and also the anything. Try in your home. Okay,
Okay.
select and also the drop down is a class, right? So I have to write one drop down, right? I have created a class in the select class drop down, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So if I want to change the style of this class drop down, I have to write dot drop down, right?
Yes, ma'am. Dot down. Then the attributes.
Yes. You can add the style into this. Also, you can also in select also you can add the style. Okay. Suppose I want to change the color of the first name, last name, password, email, enter website, gender, language you know, and stream. Then what I have to do?
By selecting element, ma'am. TR element. TH element.
Okay, just try everyone. Change the color of the first name, last name, on the label page.
Got, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, just share your screen and show me.
Okay. Ma'am, hello.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. For change the th, selecting the element th, then
Yes.
change the color.
Okay.
Then change the color to black to this color.
Yes.
And we change. Change the color, ma'am.
Okay. Very good.
Thank you. Stop sharing, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Pallavi, share. Pallavi.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Is it visible, ma'am?
No.
Now?
It
Hello?
is load. Yes, yes. Now visible.
Change. This is code. Hello?
Yes, yes. Okay, you can stop share. Anyone wants to show your code? Shubhadeep? 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 Saurabh?
Yes,
Saurabh?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, share your screen. You have the previous day form?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I've changed it into changed these colors.
Yes.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
May I stop share?
Yes, yes. Tariq?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here I have written, and this is the blue color, ma'am. If I change into red, then it turns red, ma'am. Hello.
Tariq, you can stop share. Okay.
Okay.
Saurabh, you tried the text area in your home?
No, ma'am.
Saurabh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Divya? Divya, share your screen.
I'm doing, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay. Pallavi, you know the JavaScript? Pallavi?
Basic.
Okay. And Saurabh?
No, ma'am, I don't know about the JavaScript.
Okay. Divya, it is done. Divya?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just try.
Okay, ma'am.
Puja? Puja? Okay, I am creating another JSP, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All of you have to create a folder in web content, okay? Just name it CSS for the external CSS, okay?
Where,
All of
ma'am?
you just
Web
create
content.
one folder in web content. Just like me, I have the one CSS folder, okay?
Done.
So in CSS, you have to create one CSS file, okay? Just in wizard, you have to type CSS and then click on CSS. name it by any name and then finish it. All of you just get a CSS file. Go to new and then others, then type CSS, and you have to create one CSS file. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
In this CSS, I write just I want to change the color, so I just write it blue. My external CSS, I have to keep the link, right? So that the CSS, I have to give the link, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, the color is blue now, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So I have used the external CSS. Okay, just create a CSS file and give the link. Okay, so there are three types that you can write a CSS. One is external CSS, one is internal CSS. Internal CSS means already you know, and inline CSS means that if you write anything in the
Yeah,
element,
single
right?
tag,
Yes,
single element.
inside the tag. Okay, so there are the three ways to insert CSS, right? All of you are getting this?
Yes, ma'am. It's already been done
Yes, yes.
in line.
So, so tomorrow's homework will be, okay, so you already created one login page, then you have to create login page using this external CSS. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this will be your
Ma'am,
homework. Yes, yes.
explain it once again.
Uh,
Due to my internet is exited.
okay. See, this is how we use external CSS. Okay, just create one CSS and then give the path of the CSS. Okay, and this is the way you can create one external CSS. So next day, all of your homework will be use the external CSS for the login form. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, you have already done with the internal CSS, right? So
Yes,
next day
ma'am.
your homework will be try these things with the external CSS.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
for external CSS, we have to create another JSP file and call that.
No, you have to first create one HTML of login form. Okay. Then you have to create separate CSS file for this login form. Okay. Then
Okay, ma'am.
connect it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. This will be your homework. So, what is the real REL?
Relation, ma'am.
Really?
Yes, relation. It defines the relationship between the current document and the link document. Okay, link means the external CSS. So this real is the relationship, and what HRF already you know that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I understand.
Ma'am, it's not responding.
Mm,
Maybe I'm facing some issues.
okay,
May
okay.
I?
I am stop sharing. You can share. Okay. Saurabh, just share.
I
You
have
have to
tried.
write the link.
Yes, ma'am. I
You don't write any link. Link rel.
link rel means
Yes.
this one
Link. Yes. Try these things in the next line.
into next line.
Yes. You have to write like just me.
Bro, you use style tag. Don't use style tag.
Yes.
Uh, Style tag. Remove
Don't use
করবো.
style tag. Use link tag.
Okay.
Yes.
Link tag.
Link.
Right, ma'am?
Don't use the type. Link. Close. No. Just remove the text and CSS also. Yes. And then save it. And then run it.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Yes. Anyone? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it was coming notepad, ma'am, output. It was not running.
In where?
You said that external CSS.jsp file and then external.css, ma'am. While running the
External
program,
CSS is not working.
uh, output is not coming, ma'am.
Okay, then share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
ভুলে গেলাম।
Divya, you don't have any CSS folder. Where you create the CSS folder? CSS folder?
In web content only this one.
No, the CSS folder. You have, okay. So don't also your, okay, just external CS, open external CSS.jsp. Okay, so remove the CSS folder in HRF.
This one, ma'am.
Line number 8, external CSS. Yes. No. This part, CSS slash. Remove the CSS slash. Because you don't create any CSS folder, right? But you give the path of the folder. That's why it is the problem. Remove the CSS. Yes. Save it and then run it. Okay, 1 second. Please open the code. Okay, external spelling is wrong. EXTERNAL. HRF. You have to add one R.
Ma'am, Divya give the name external css.jsp, the external CSS file name.
Okay. Just Control Z. Divya, Control Z. Yes. Yes. No. You gave the name. Okay, save it and then run it. Yes. Now it is coming, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the problem, Divya? That you don't create any CSS folder, but you gave the path for the folder. So it did not find the path, right? So that was the problem. And also you have to type the exact path. Means the spelling mistake is there, right? So that's why it did not find the path. That's why your output is not coming. So now it is coming. And see, Divya, we are using CSS folder because in a project you have many CSS pages, right? So we are organize it in a folder. Okay, we are arranging it in a folder. You can stop share, Divya. Suraj, please share your screen. Suraj, are you there? Suraj, Suraj is not there.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Suraj, please
Yes,
share
ma'am.
your screen.
Ma'am, I'm not creating that project like this project right now. I'm just seeing whatever you do. I'm doing today night. I am doing.
Okay. Then next day you will share, okay? And
Yes, ma'am.
try to do these things with me, okay?
Okay, ma'am. I just see last two class, ma'am, on YouTube,
Okay,
and just if I have any doubt, I personally message you.
okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell me your next class when schedule are
Ne
you?
okay, next time Shuni sir will tell you because one function is there in Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
So Shuni sir will let you know.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so output is coming, right? So who is Nisha?
Ma'am, it's me, Puja, ma'am. Due to
Okay,
my,
okay, no problem. Any doubt?
ma'am, please show your code once, ma'am. I will see. Due to my internet issue, I was exited from the meeting. That's why.
Okay. Try to attend with your real name, okay? Because the attendance will go.
Yeah, ma'am. And we have to get a CSS file in web content or in a project, ma'am.
No, web content. Right click on web content, then new, then folder. Okay.
I have created both CSS and JSP file, ma'am, but I didn't get output. That's why I asked, ma'am.
Okay.
You have to
So
try, ma'am, when
share
you,
then share
ma'am,
your screen.
mobile, ma'am. That's why
Okay.
I
Okay.
can't. Yeah, I will ask next.
Yes. Puja, where is your hometown? Puja? Anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So the homework is clear now. What is the
Yes, ma'am.
homework? And all
Yes,
of
ma'am.
you have to do these things. Okay, in your home, try to do these things. And for today, we have to close the session.
Okay, ma'am.
Sumit sir, are you there? আছিস পূজা? Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. So today we are closing the session. Okay. Anyone? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you, good night. Stay safe. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Good night, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Good night. Bye, everyone. You can leave. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.